everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Radiographer. Have you ever had an MRI scan or seen one on TV and wondered why it is so loud? Well, today we are diving into science behind those mysterious noises. Let's get started. MRI or magnetic resonance imaging is an incredible technology used to get detailed images of the inside of our bodies. But during the scan, the machine makes these loud knocking and thumping sounds. What's going on in there? First, let's understand how an MRI works. MRI machine uses powerful magnets and radio waves to create images. Here is a basic rundown of the process. Inside the MRI machine, there is a large magnet. When you lie down for a scan, this magnet aligns the protons in your body's hydrogen atoms. Next, radio waves are sent through the body, knocking these protons out of alignment. As the protons realign, they send out signals which are detected and turned into images by the machine. So, where does the noise come from? It's actually due to the gradient coils inside the machine. These coils create varying magnet fields, which are essential for mapping different parts of the body. Let's see how. When the gradient coils are switched on and off rapidly, they create strong magnetic field. These magnetic fields causes the coils to vibrate, and it's these vibration that produces the loud knocking and thumping sound you hear during an MRI. To put it simply, think of it like a speaker system. Just like speaker vibrate to produce sound, the MRI's gradient coils vibrate when the magnetic field change rapidly. However, since the forces involved are very powerful, the sounds are much louder. The rapid switching can happen many times per second, which is why the noise can be quite intense. The design of the MRI machine tries to manage these sounds, but because the forces are so strong, complete silence is not possible. And that's the gist of it. The loud noises you hear during an MRI are a byproduct of the powerful technology at work. It's all about those gradient coils and the magnetic fields they create. So, next time you or someone you know has an MRI, you will know exactly why it sounds like a construction zone in there. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe the Radiographer for more science explanation. Thanks for watching and see you next time.